This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals, and I'm on the Pet Giraffe lesson, Puzzle 2. There's a mud puddle over in the corner. Yes, there is. Create an event so that when Geraldine touches the puddle, her color changes to brown. Oh, so she's gonna get muddy. So create an event. Okay, so events. Oh, I see. Oh, when Geraldine touches puddle. Okay. Touches puddle. Her color changes to brown. Okay. Sprites. I don't see it there. Ah, here we go. When she touches it, change color to... Oops, you can't see brown. I'm going to zoom out for a sec. There we are. Choose that color. Let's zoom back in and give this a try. Perfect. Let's keep going.